This sandwich is absolutely delicious. What's that sandwich maker called?
Panini press.
There are many different makes of panini presses. There's like 10
And that's a
different
panini press. Great.
Yes, any panini press will do.
Well, that's what it will do for me. What a great sandwich it makes.
Eating a panini with knife and fork. Eating a panini with knife and fork.
Why should he do
I'm
it with knife and
English.
fork?
Oh, you're English.
Yeah. Oh, you're English? Did you not know that?
I kind of forgot you was English. Eating everything with a knife and fork.
We have finesse at the table.
A finesse at the table like eating pizza?
Oh. Daddy eats pizza with a fork.
Knife and fork.
Not how you... So you would eat a burger with a knife and fork?
Take the... Yeah, sometimes. Take the paper off.
You bought me a gift.
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's nice, isn't it?
So much tea.
And it is the same amount of tea as your blue
No,
one.
I think this is bigger.
No.
Oh, this is bigger.
Oh, it is bigger, Maxwell.
This is bigger.
It's this,
Go get the other one. It's bigger.
that one, it's...
Maxwell, go get the other one.
The other one is a 30 ounce cup. 30 ounce.
It looks bigger.
It is bigger. I think that other one's like 25 or something.
This one, the reason why it's taller, because that is made for a cup holder in a car. It's the same size, but it's slightly taller. It's the same size, Dad.
The same diameter, yes.
Yes.
Capacity.
But the capacity, it's the same. I looked up that cup. It's a 30 ounce. That cup right, that tip shell.
Okay.
So.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ooh. Water in there. Made in China.
So listen, you're going to be getting my little machine now, my little brother, because you're going to be sewing. Okay? Because you're a beginner, right?
I don't want to sew my finger out.
No, you won't sew your finger. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. That's what this is all about. Showing beginners how to thread their machine. Okay?
Yeah.
On a very, very cheap little machine. That machine was $150. So you're not going to do it on this one. Okay? So I'll do that in a minute. Okay? Because Daddy's gonna choose the fabric. But I'm going to start the video by showing them what I've chosen.
Hey, Dad.
I'd like you to choose some fabric, but once you've already chosen it, I'm going to overrule your choice, and I'm going to do what I want to do.
And hey, Dad.
Yeah.
When one of the days I was at work, I was getting a thing, right? The owner knew you bought that thing, and I asked him the ounces. He said 30 for that one. The reason why it's slimmer because it fits in most car cup holders.
Okay. Thank you, Maxwell.
What? Okay, okay, shut up, bye-bye.
No. You keep saying the same thing.
I know I am. I'm very repetitive.
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 I repeat myself too.
I'm sorry.
No reason to be sorry whatsoever. But once we say something, after the 10th time...
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're going to get ready to get the machine out after Daddy chooses the fabric.
Can you take that for me and come?
Did I say I wasn't gonna record if I have this thing on my eye?
Well, we'll talk about that.
Can you come back with one of my croissants with a tiny bit of jam inside? The raspberry will be lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
Are you recording right now? Do what?
I don't know if it's taken because it's going into the light.
I'm sure it's taken.
Why did you come up and eat in my room?
because I took a liberty.
You did take a liberty. I don't eat in my room.
Yeah, but it's so beautiful in here.
It is pretty.
It's sunlight,
It's 8 degrees
colours.
out. It's cold.
Such a fabulous atmosphere up here.
Yeah, it is.
And it is extremely cold outside. What is it, actual temperature?
8.
8 degrees out there. And there's a wind chill.
No. It's 20, feeling like 8 with the wind
Ah.
chill. Yeah.
When I went out and came back, took my breath away. Getting out of the
Yeah, it is
warmer
breathtaking.
car,
Yeah.
it took my breath away.
And we're lovely and toasty warm in our lovely home.
I love this
Yeah,
house.
it's lovely. All right,
Yeah.
so let me sort this out first.
Touch it.
Good morning, everybody. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You.
Yeah.
I have my husband Ian with me this morning, and Maxwell's in the other room. This is the beginning of making our little tote bag, my beginner tote, if you remember my introduction. And I just want to say thank you again, as I do, for all of your super, super lovely complimentary comments. Oh my goodness, I feel like Sally Field accepting the Academy Award. You like me. You really, really like me. Yeah, that was so very nice of you, because there was not a horrible comment, just a comment, and you make it all worthwhile. My lovely, lovely viewers out there. So we are going to embark on making this little tote bag I showed you. I'm going to make a long story even much, much longer. So this is a beginner project, and actually it's going to be done in several parts because it's only going to be a few minutes. I'm going to be getting my other machine out. Maxwell is going to be sewing. He's an absolute beginner.
Or not.
Or not. You said you would.
I don't want to be on camera because of my issue.
Oh yeah. Actually, Maxwell woke up the other day and his eye was completely swollen, and it looks like a pimple, a zit, and it wasn't. He has very clear skin. Don't know what happened, and it affected his eye. So I thought he's allergic to something, got him some Benadryl. It's going down, but it was a very odd thing that happened. So he might be a little bit self-conscious about coming on camera. Anyway, what I'm going to be doing this video here is I'm going to be choosing the fabric. Are you making fun of me? No. Or Ian actually is going to be choosing the fabric.
We're laughing with you.
You're not laughing. You're laughing at me. Shush. But I wanted to show you what I would choose for this bag. Now, as I was saying in the introduction, I'm going to be making my bag in 2 ways, the top and the lining. Now, this is what I would have chosen. I would have chosen something like this, right? I'm a one-trick pony. That would have been the top, this lovely rosy pink cream, and a lovely beautiful green for the lining. Or change it up, and I would have done something. This was sweet. This is like a little paper doll girls fabric, pink, and I've chose that blue and white for the lining. I thought that would go pretty together. Or I know I would have chosen this pink and green with that pink and white dot for the lining. But then I thought, if a little boy was going for an overnight stay, this would be cute selection. It's anchors and boating and lighthouses with a red and dot lining, something like that. Or changing it up altogether, this beautiful green. It's almost like an Asian fabric. That's so pretty. With I would have chosen perhaps a green and white stripe. Now that would be my choices to make this little bag. But Ian, we have not rehearsed this whatsoever. Ian's going to be pulling some fabric, and I'll see how that goes. So we'll see what we choose. So.
One word from me and she does what she likes.
No. I know. I'm asking you to do it. So go do it.
Oh, let's do it then.
Go on. So there's this lot here, and then there's this lot here, and then there's the other in the other room. So go have at it.
So I can really choose.
So you can choose, and hopefully he'll choose something that I like. The last time Maxwell chose something, stitch your stress away. That's what I'm going to, because you're stressing me out.
And it was pink.
You chose that big...
That's beautiful.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think I like that one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not necessarily masculine, but I just love the colour combinations.
Red, black, and white. Okay.
And now the fabric for the inside.
For the inside. If you want to. You can just use one fabric for the whole thing, inside and out, or a fabric for the outside and the lining. Actually, if you do that one, I see something up there that's nice.
I love that for the inside.
Nah. That one up there, the red and white polka dot. No, that doesn't go. Look, I mean, it's a good choice, but look, the red with the black polka dots. Think about it. That's two very, very busy prints. And it might look okay, but you want to complement as opposed to like clash.
Okay, so you got this.
You really like that?
I'm doing a Sally Field.
Oh, here are my scissors.
I need.
What are you doing? No.
Is it there? Those ones.
What are you doing? To get my little step ladder. Hey, oh, Maxwell, come here.
Maxwell can't reach it.
Maxwell?
Can he?
Yeah, you can.
Is that tall?
He's not tall. Maxwell, where are you?
What?
Come here, quick.
I'm
Yeah.
not going to be on camera.
No, you're not going
You
to be on
won't be,
camera.
just your
I promise.
back.
Just your back.
Clean the bathroom.
We need you to reach.
We need
something.
you to reach. Come on.
Clean the
Just
tub.
here. You're cleaning the tub. Thank you. You don't have to be on camera. Just go get the black with the red dots. Or
See
the red with the black
red-
dots.
The black with the red dots. I think you meant the red with the black dots.
I meant that. So is that what you would have chosen? No. But don't you think that coordinates?
Oh, it does.
No, don't patronize me.
No, actually, I love that. I don't know why I love that so much, but I think it's so unusual. Yeah. Somehow it reminds me of French. Don't know why.
Looks Hawaiian to me.
Hawaiian? Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like big Hawaiian flowers. It's a big print.
Absolutely
So
fabulous.
should we take a poll?
Pole. I'd rather a stick. Oh, you mean a pole? O-L-L.
A poll. So you love that one.
Okay, and that's the inside.
If I have enough. Oh, I might not have enough. Quite seriously, I need 56 inches. Oh no, I don't have enough. Oh, shame. Seriously, I need 56 inches of
Of
each
this?
one. I have enough of that. Yeah, there's 50. Yeah, definitely there. Oh, I completely forgot. Well, how about? Well, I don't even know.
You could have that on the inside.
Yeah. Is there 56 inches? I don't even think, Ian. No, there's not. What a shame. No, there's not enough. Oh boy, I didn't think of that, of course. And there's not enough here either. Which one did you originally
There's
choose?
not enough of that one.
Oh, there might be enough. No, there's not enough of that. Why in the world don't I have enough polka dots? What did you choose before? Out of there. How about a black and white stripe? That would look nice.
That one?
Is there
Oh,
enough?
that looks different. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's classy.
But I know it's classy.
Seriously, that
But
looks
actually, when you go to film, this makes people go dizzy.
Really?
Yeah, it does. Look at my black and white ironing board. People go, oh, it's like
moving.
it's a moving. Yeah, it's like, so forget that one.
Okay.
We'll get there in the end, folks. Oh, look, it's going black again, Ian. Oh, no, it's going... Oh, it's the window. It's the window shooting into the sun. So you have to sort of stand there. Well, no, choose something. Choose. This video's gonna go on. This is just choosing our fabric, folks. That's it.
Well,
You
that'll
know?
do.
Oh, that's pretty. I love that. And there's plenty there. I do love that. I do love that. So Ian is making the choice for our tote bag. Do you love it?
Oh, good. I can't wait.
So that's the, oh, careful. Oh, so that's the outside, and that, folks, is the inside. I like it. I love my polka dots. And this is Ian's choice. Thank you so much. See you later. Our next video will be about cutting the fabric and start sewing with Maxwell. All right, folks. Have a good day. Love from the Trueloves. Bye-bye.